How's it going, guys? Guess what just came in the mail? It's Olivia Rodrigo's new single The Cure on vinyl. And in this video, I'm going to unbox it, as you probably guessed. Now, this just came. So the song came out yesterday. This just came in the mail today. This is what the cover looks like. It appears it arrived like creased in the top left. That's fun. So yeah, it kind of arrived slightly damaged. It's always good. Has the little parental advisory in the corner. Flip it over to the back now. But there's the back. It's got The Cure and then Never Do brackets demo, which is on exclusive bonus for the vinyl and cassette there. They'll be on the other side. Also, this is made in Germany. And then at the bottom here we have all the what's this? Oh yeah, this is the credits here. Okay, so let me get this open and we'll look at the actual vinyl itself. Okay, well, I just realised it's like bent at the top. See it there on the other side, like the creasing. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I got it open. Let's take the wrap off here. How do I get this off? Okay, that worked. So yeah, here we go. You can see the crease there. That's fun. Slide this out here. And then, oh, it slides out this side, okay. There it is. Wow. So it's red. There's side A, which is The Cure. Flipping it over, we have side B, which is Never Do, brackets demo. And then at the bottom here we have copyright and stuff. So yeah, that's what it... Let me get a good shot of that, there we go. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And that concludes the unboxing here. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Goodbye.